We've been using the Dell Chromebook 1130-100 for a few months now, specifically for homeschooling our kids. We purchased 3 of these Chromebooks when we transitioned to an online curriculum, and here's what we've learned about them. First, let's talk about durability. These are marketed as student-friendly, and they definitely live up to that. Our kids use them every day, and they've held up remarkably well. The compact 11.6-inch size is perfect for small desks or even taking on the go. Performance-wise, the Chromebook runs smoothly for tasks like video lessons, Google Classroom, and light browsing. The Intel Celeron N4020 processor and 4 GB of RAM are enough for most schoolwork. Though this isn't the device for heavy multitasking or gaming, for online learning, it's just right. As for storage, the 16 GB of flash memory might seem small, but with Chrome OS, everything is designed to work with Google Drive. Most files are stored in the cloud, so local storage hasn't been an issue for us. A couple of highlights are the headphone jack and Bluetooth capabilities. Our kids switch between wired headphones and Bluetooth ones without a problem. It's great to have that flexibility, especially for virtual lessons where clear audio is important. Since these Chromebooks are refurbished, there is some light cosmetic wear, but that was expected, and it doesn't affect performance. The price point made this a fantastic value for our family, especially since they're fully functional. So, if you're looking for an affordable, reliable option for schoolwork or light productivity, this Chromebook is worth considering. It's holding up well for us, and we're happy with the purchase.